Hi, it's Sue from Createful Journals, and today I'm just going to give you a walkthrough of my new Notion template. And this is for bundles and giveaways, so you can actually track all the bundles that you've entered into. You can track what products that you have submitted and all the deadlines, the due dates, your affiliate links, everything like that. So this is just a basic Notion template. So you can see at the top here, I've got the headings, so you can just put in the heading name in the line here, the date that you have to submit the product by, so you can just add that in here. If you need to include the time, you can actually include the time as well if you need that feature on. And then you can put in, again, the same, the bundle dates that are there, then the actual name of your product, you just type in here, and then the URL of your landing page, or opt-in offer, you can put that in here as well. And then if we just scroll over a little bit more, then you can see we've got, you can just track of did you get approved or not, and then the download deadline for the customers to download their bundles, and then your affiliate link, any coupon code that's required, and then you can put in here any email requirements. So if you have to post on social media or you have to do a solo email, then you can record that in here. And then we've got at the end, we've just got two more sections here, the results, so you can put in how many new leads and subscribers that you got, and then you can make any notes of what, is this a bundle that you want to go into the next time it's available, what your thoughts were, how it was run, anything that you can learn from it as well. So we've got those across, and you just simply, just going to scroll back here, type it into the blocks here, and then as you get down to the bottom, you just click new, and then you just keep on going. So you can keep track of everything on this spreadsheet. And then what I've put in here is my submission info. So you can see this opens in a side view over here. And I just started filling this out. So here you just put all your basic information on this page. So your main website, the affiliate program sign up. So if you're asked for that in the submission process, you've got it right here. Your bio that you give for the bundles. And then you can add in your own product images in here, or profile image. When they say to upload your headshot, you can just click this photo here and then just go and upload your own photo. And again, you can just come in here and add anything else that you need, to type in here. So any other info that you want to put in here, you would just put into that. And it all just stays in one handy spot, so you can always just come in here and just keep filling everything out. And then you can remember to, what you've submitted, because a lot of bundles will say to don't submit the same product 6 months, unless it's been more than 6 months, don't give any free products away. So you can add all that information into this bundle or your giveaway tracker if you want to use this just for giveaway events. And then again, you can add, you can change up the title here if you need to, and you can add any other information and notes on here. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. Yeah, and I've put the I put the bundle into my Etsy store as it is just a personal use product. And then I'll put the link below this video. Thank you.